Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open BIOS settings directly from Windows. If you forgot the BIOS key for your computer, such as F2, F10, F12, delete, or escape, you can use this simple method instead. It works on most modern Windows PCs and takes only a few seconds. Let's get started. First, click the Start button and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt window opens, type the following command exactly as shown on the screen. shutdown/r/fw/t0, then press Enter. As soon as you run this command, Windows will restart immediately. The /r switch tells Windows to restart the computer. The /fw switch tells Windows to open the firmware settings, which means the BIOS or UEFI setup screen. And /t0 sets the timer to 0 seconds, so the restart happens right away. After the restart, your computer will automatically boot into the BIOS or UEFI settings screen without requiring you to press any BIOS key during startup. This is especially useful if you don't know the correct BIOS key, or if your computer boots too fast to press the key in time. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.